This is the 25th video for my eShop web application project. Here, our task is to program the watchlist page including product adding and viewing process. To add a product to the watchlist, you have to click on this hearts button of the product. In my home page, this is the heart button, and above that, inside a PHP script, I have given a search query to the watchlist table where product ID is equal to the ID of the particular product and the user email is email of the user who is in session. I have given this if condition to check whether there is a product with that particular product ID and that particular user email in my watchlist table. If there is a row like that, then for this button, for the hearts icon, I have given a text dark. If there is no row like that, then for the hearts icon, I have given a text danger. For both the buttons, I have given an on-click event, add to watchlist, and inside the bracket, I have given the product ID of the particular product. Also, I have given an ID to the icon as heart with the product ID of the particular product. In my JavaScript, I have made the function add to watchlist. I have given an XML HTTP request and sent this ID to the server side by the get method to the add to watchlist process.php file in the server side, and I have binded the ID to it. This is the add to watchlist process.php file. Here inside a PHP script, I have given session start and require connection.php. Then I have given an if condition to check whether a user is in session. If a user is not in session, then an echo will come from the server side saying please log in first. Then I have given another if condition to check whether an ID have been sent from the client side. If there is no ID like that, then an echo will come from the server side saying something went wrong. Inside this if condition, I have taken the email of the user who is in session and stored it as $email. I have taken the ID that was sent and stored it as $PID. Then I have given a search query to the watchlist table where the product ID is equal to $PID and user email is $email. I have checked whether there is a product like that in my watchlist, and if there is no product like that, I have given an insert query to the watchlist to add product ID and user email, the values $PID and $email. Then an echo will come from the server side saying added. If there is already a row like that, then I have taken the details of that row and stored it as $watchlist data. Then I have taken the ID of that $watchlist data and stored it as $list ID, given a delete query to the watchlist table where ID is equal to $list ID. An echo will come from the server side saying removed. Here in the JS side, I have stored the response from the server side as var t. Then I have given an if condition so that if the response text from the server side is removed, then the icon of the button will get a class text dark and the page will reload. If the response text is added, then the icon of the button will get the class text danger. If it is not removed or added, then the response from the server side will come as an alert. Now onto the viewing process. This is my code for the watchlist page, and at the top I have given an if condition to see whether a user is in session. If there is no user in session, then an echo will come saying please log in first. Then inside this PHP script, I have given require connection.php and I have taken the email of the user who is in session and stored it as $user. Then I have given a search query to the watchlist table where the user email is equal to $user. I have checked whether there are rows like that. If there are no rows, this empty view will be shown, and if there are rows like that, then the cards of those products will be shown. Here inside a PHP script, I have given a for loop and taken the data of each product to display inside the card. For the search bar of the watch list, I have given an ID S and an on-click event search watch list to the search button. In the JS side, I have made the function search watch list. In the function, I have taken the value of the input field with the ID S and stored it as var search. By Ajax, I have sent it to the server side using the get method to the search watchlist process.php file in the server side by the name S. This is the search watchlist process.php file. Here, inside the PHP script, I have given session start and require connection.php. Then I have given an if condition to see if a user is in session. If a user is not in session, an echo will come from the server side saying, please log in first. Then I have given another if condition to see if the value from the client side came to the server side, and if it didn't come, an echo will come from the server side saying something went wrong. Then inside this if condition, I have taken the value that was sent to the server side and stored it as $search, and I have stored the email of the user who is in session as $user. Then I have given a search query to the product table where the title had $search in it, and I have stored that as $PRS. I have taken the details of $PRS and stored it as $PID. Then I have given another search query to the watch list where user email is equal to $user and product ID is the ID of $PID. Then I have given an if condition to see if there is a row with that specifications, and if there is no row like that, an echo will come from the server side saying no such product in the watch list. If there are rows like that, then I have made this card to display the details of the product.